Alright, today we're looking at a 2016 Nissan Frontier SV. Alright, it's 4x4, got 30,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, still under factory warranty. Alright, it's gun metallic in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you here. We'll start on the driver's side. It does have the big back door, big crew cab. Alright, driver's side of the vehicle's in great shape. You got the chrome bumper, got the trailer hitch plug-in down there as well. Alright, it is an SV 4x4. Tailgate looks good. Got the bed liner back here. Bed liner's in good shape. Everything looks good back here. Make our way down the passenger side. Alright, exterior of this Frontier is in fantastic shape. It's a 2016, 30,000 miles on it. Still under factory warranty, clean Carfax. Take a look on the inside. The gray on gray door panels, power windows, power locks. Got the power mirrors here, cargo lamp button, and hill descent control. All right. Gray cloth seating. Got the mesh inserts. Comes with 2 keyless entry key fobs. All right. Passenger seat's in good shape. All right. It is an automatic. That's your 4x4s right there. Okay. Climate control area. And then you got your AM, FM, CD player. Okay, and your display screen right there, and we'll show you that in just a second. Bluetooth, steering wheel audio controls. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. All right, it's got 30,592 miles. All right, now that we've got it started, I'll go ahead and show you the display here. All right, get you back to the FM. All right, it does have AM as well, and it does have a free trial right now of the XM radio. That's why you're seeing it on the screen right there. All right, climate controls all lit up. AC's blowing cold, no problems there. And then once again, you got your button here for the 4-wheel drive. All right, simply put the vehicle in neutral and spin it around to 4 high, 4 low. All right, got your glove box here, 2 convenient power outlets here. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. All right, like I mentioned earlier, it's got the big crew cab, doors open really wide. Carpet back here is in great shape. All right, cloth is too. All right, got the mesh inserts back here. Does have the sliding rear window. All right, but everything's in really good shape back here. All right. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right. Once again, it does have the bed liner. Bed liner's in good shape. Got the D-ring tie downs right here as well in the back. Okay. Go ahead and give you another point of view from this side. But inside of this vehicle has been well taken care of. And then the front passenger seat. Door panels are good. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. We've got 16-inch alloys. All right, tires are still in good shape. Okay, still got some tread left on them there. All right, once again, it's a 2016 Nissan Frontier SV 4x4, clean Carfax, 30,000 miles on it, so it's still got some factory warranty left. This thing's in great shape inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.